The over 40 men who gathered outside the gates of the Chinese construction company were adamant they have had enough following Wednesday's dismissal of a long-standing certified operator at the company with no pay.
We're here working from this project start, sir. I told 2 years now, and so continue to say we're not good at, we must go home. And they're underpaying we, say we are chaining, we must go home, and we don't good at. So they're paying with $370 the operator them to dig down all this mountain. After they said we must go home catch Jamaica no good. So what they are doing here?
His dismissal raised the tempo on the matter of alleged late payments and underpayment among the local workers who are said to do most of the construction work.
They will pay me $270 an hour, right? And pan the payroll when we get from a bigger head, they say $550. They will pay an hour up every operator. You understand? So they will collect half of that.
So the bigger heads who you get that from, did you point out that to him?
No, disclose. Can't do that. You understand? Keep that confidential.
The men lamented they work from morning till night on a shift lasting just over 12 hours and they have no health benefits and no overtime. They, however, complain disrespect and abuse is constant from their employers.
Some more Jamaican know, so when I see this highway, don't feel like the Chinese build it. Or we build it. Now me understand what slavery all about. Me now understand what slavery all about. I don't have no time for my family, you know.
By this, the workers were called to a meeting and the police were summoned. Following the meeting, tempers flared in the direction of the Prime Minister.
You know where life is stand up on a mall road?
White Mall.
White Mall. From 6 till 6:30. Yeah, you joke thing. Hey, Portia, sort out yourself. Them vote for you say you're the mother. You understand? You got to care for people like our mother care for your baby. You ain't caring for nobody.
Workers insisted in the presence of the officers that no work will be done until Mr. Brody is reinstated and the wage and abuse issue is resolved.
Joke thing. Straight joke thing. You know what I mean? We go as individuals and big people. If we go talk to the Chinese them about the situation. And Chinaman gonna come and tell you basically, if you don't want work, go home.
Yeah. Yes,
if you don't want no work, go home.
Right.
Because your rights doesn't matter.
Nika Lewis, CVM News.